Hi, welcome to Rick's Garage. So today I'm putting the exhaust system back on the Alfa Romeo and I'm going to get this thing started. Come on! What do you think, guys? I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. Don't take it seriously. As you can see, it fits where it touches. Oh, I should have got a large. Okay guys, as aforementioned, what we're doing today is refitting the exhaust back onto my Alfa Romeo, and then later on in the video, hopefully, wish me luck, fingers crossed, I'm going to go for the first startup. So yeah, we shall see how we go. So the exhaust system going back onto my GTV actually comprises of two different manufacturers for exhaust pieces. The first of which being these two-piece exhaust downpipes by Wizard. Now Wizard exhausts need no introduction, but for the purpose of this video we're going to do one anyway. Now Wizard exhausts are actually designed and manufactured by a guy called Dan Cunningham, very well known, very much respected within the Alfa community from what I have seen. He is actually part of Auto Lusso as well, Alfa Romeo specialist, one of the best in the country in fact. So an Alfa specialist who also designs and makes bespoke exhaust pieces for Alfas, need I say more. Now one thing I will say is I have seen many aftermarket exhaust pieces for many different cars over the years, and this is some of the best TIG welding that I have seen personally. They must have taken quite some time to produce. The design of them is a lot better than the original, and yeah, build quality really does reflect the price. So yeah, very much impressed by those. One thing I do need to mention is whether or not you have a CF1, CF2 or CF3 GTV, all can be accommodated with a set of these downpipes. Also, if like me you have a CF3 car and you have fitted CF2 catless manifolds, then a custom pair of these downpipes can be made to accommodate that, which is exactly what I have here as well. So yeah, if you're interested in these, contact Dan through Wizard Exhaust or Auto Lusso and I'm sure you'll sort you out. And I just want to say quickly, I'm not being paid for this video either. I'm just genuinely impressed by them. So for the rest of the exhaust system from the cat back, I'm actually using the Cybox stainless system. Now my Cybox system was actually already fitted onto this car when I bought it, so I'm utilising that. I'm actually a big fan of it. It sounds very, very nice, and one thing I do like about it is it follows the route of the original exhaust, so all of your heat shielding doesn't look out of place. So yeah, I'm very happy with the Cybox system. One thing I did want to do with it is I wanted to do a back box delete just for a little bit more tone, I'm not going to lie. I approached Cybox direct and they were more than happy to accommodate me. I ordered a back box delete section and it was at my front door the day later, so yeah, very impressed by that. I'm also very impressed how it was packaged as well, which I'll show on camera. So yeah, kudos to Cybox. One thing that Cybox do make is the equal length downpipes, if that's what you want. Now they do have ground clearance issues, but there are some performance gains to be had. So yeah, it's just good to have the option, isn't it? You can either go for the equal length downpipes or you can go for the Wizard downpipes. The choice is yours. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's take a look under the car. I'll show you what I'm doing. Let's crack on. So that's both back boxes removed. Now, just in case you're wondering why didn't I just cut out the biggest box and put in a piece of pipe, well, I still wanted the ability to change it back if I ever want to in the future. Okay, so the next thing to go on is the catalytic converters underneath the car. That would be the secondary cats. These are original items, stainless steel. I've just given them a little bit of a clean up. They look a lot better than what they did. Now, the only issue I've got with these, as you can see, one of the studs actually snapped when I removed them. So no problem, I just had to cut it off. I've drilled through it and I'm going to put a bolt through that. That's not a problem. Also the hangers, I've got new hangers, or I thought I had new hangers, but the ones that I've got seem to be too big. They're the wrong ones. So what I'm going to do for today is just hang this up using some stainless steel tie wraps. It'll do for now just to get the exhaust on the car, but I'll have to order some more. So this is all the gaskets. These gaskets here, these are the ones that go between the manifolds and the downpipes. These gaskets go between the downpipes and the cats. These are just cheap generic ones from eBay, £3, but they do need to be trimmed because they will overlap when you fit them, but they work fine. Now this is the gasket ring which goes between the cats and the rest of the system, the catback system. And these are the cat exhaust hangers which I'll need to return because these are wrong. These are way too long. You need the shorter ones. Okay, so we're on to the last two pieces of the puzzle, which would be the wizard downpipes. So the rest of the exhaust system is currently on, but I just want to make a note that all the brackets aren't yet tightened up. The exhaust system is still loose because when I get everything on together, I just want to make sure that it all fits perfectly. Everything is hanging freely. There's not too much stress pushing back onto the manifolds or anything like that. So yeah, everything's looking okay so far, and I also need to put the lambda sensors back into the cats as well. So yeah, not a moment to lose. Let's crack on.
You wanna dance?
So the exhaust system is now on and the time has come. Let's get this thing started. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so here goes. Just putting the key in. We have ignition. Sounds fruity. We have no lights on the dashboard. Good start. I'm just going to let it run for a little bit and then I'll give it a few revs and I'll check for a few oil leaks or any oil leaks. But so far so good. had it running for a little while now, so got a bit of heat into it, so I'll give it a few revs. So there you go, guys, she's alive. Absolutely chuffed to bits. really chuffed to bits with it, I can't tell you. Oh, please appreciate that. I can't capture the sound properly with the equipment that I've got. It just doesn't do it justice at all, but I've tried my best. So yeah, normally with a lot of aftermarket systems for these they sound too raspy in my opinion, and I didn't want that. And this still sounds deep, very loud, but still very deep. And I'm just chuffed to bits with it. I can't begin to tell you how happy I am with it. Oh, this has been the pickup that I need. It's the hard work beginning to pay off. Yeah, chuffed to bits with it. Really happy with it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I feel speechless. Oh, I just want to say thank you to Mr. Cunningham for your downpipes. They're absolutely superb. They go together with the Cybox to make this thing sound fantastic in my opinion. So yeah, thank you Mr. Cunningham, and thank you to Cybox for your systems. So yeah, incredible. Chuffed to bits with it. How many times have I said that now? But yeah, I'm chuffed to bits with it. I don't know what to say. But thank you very much for tuning in. Just a brief one this week. I shall see you next time. Bye bye.